Not something that you see every day in Australia.
Oh my goodness.
All of these are
Just
grandpa monkeys.
Stop to let monkeys across the road.
Oh, Papa, don't go across. Hurry up.
Okay, go Lisa. I reckon you
Oh, that bubble is
clear
cool.
path.
Oh, that's so cute.
See how
Oh,
I should have brought my camera.
wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Did you see Bailey?
Yeah. Are you being very careful?
Yeah, I don't want to run any of them over.
Onesie.
So we just encountered our first wildlife on our trip to Krabi Town. The little monkeys crossing the road. So pretty cool, weren't they, kids?
Yeah.
No monkey warning sign of monkeys crossing the road, you know?
There was a tiny monkey that ran across the road as soon as a car started coming, so it just ran as fast as it could.
I know the car in the other direction looked like they weren't too worried about running them
They're
over.
quite used to it. They're probably aiming for them.
What do monkeys say? Oh, we should have asked them. Oh. What was that?
Being a monkey.
Can you do it again? Oh, yep, that's going on YouTube.
Oh, thank you, honey. If I wasn't driving, I could go even more crazy. No. Oh, small road.
This is not the main road.
The little road.
The cows.
Slow